mass, level, temperature, density,
Kim
water,
Paul, massa,
volume,
quantity,
Niveau,
mức, temperature,
nhiệt độ,
temperature,
tỷ trọng,
densidad,
nước,
discharge, tubing,
dung tích,
passami,
Masa,
volume,
nivel,
tải lượng,
temperatura,
massa,
densidad,
temperatura,
agua,
quantum,
volumen,
mật
vada,
độ,
avión.
tuổi,
Tỷ,
dung lượng.
Cộng đảo, density, tức châm nọc.
It seems that there are almost as many tank gauging protocols as there are languages, and gauging systems make sense of them all. GSI provides systems integration with almost all tank gauging equipment, using industry standard or dedicated vendor protocols and electrical interfaces. Our products range from a single manufacturer through multiple manufacturers integration, installations from 1 to 650 tanks, local displays, protocol conversion, topology conversion, data logging, RTU functions, local printed reports, keyboards, net and wireless configuration, and custom programmed functionality. You spec it, we can speak it. GSI began production of its first interface unit in the mid-1980s, around the time when the GSI 2000 mechanical gauge transmitter and the first inventory software package, the 4 Plus, were developed. The first unit, called the Field Interface Unit, or FIU, was one of the first tank gauge interfaces on the market that could bring in multiple loops and could collect data from not only GSI transmitters, but other manufacturers as well. The early to mid-90s brought on the next generation called the Intelligent Field Interface, the IFI. This was a modular system of field interface boards and associated personality modules that allowed for communication with virtually any measurement system or data protocol. It allowed for an industrial-grade IBM PCAT microprocessor backplane plug-in card for operating speeds in the 20 to 66 MHz range and 8 megabytes of onboard RAM. The new millennium brought with it the Enhanced Intelligent Field Interface, the EIFI, which is still manufactured and supported by GSI, along with a variety of additional products released in the 2006 and 2007 timeframe. These are the CIM and the ERTU. The Enhanced Intelligent Field Interface, the EIFI, utilizes onboard CPU and Unix operating system with up to 64 megabytes of RAM. It is modular in design with intelligent personality modules that can communicate with a variety of tank gauge manufacturers' field transmitters, as was done in past designs. It can be configured for host communication via hardwire, fiber, Ethernet, or radio, and has been installed in remote applications via solar power. It has 2 Ethernet ports that support up to 8 socket connections from other computers. Packaging includes an optional local display, and enclosures can be rated at NEMA 4, NEMA 7, or NEMA 12 to meet any tank gauge application. New in 2006, and with installations which began during the first quarter of 2007, the Communications Interface Module, or CIM, provides for a newly designed interface unit utilizing current technology and a lower cost of manufacture. It has 5 serial ports available for general communication with either field transmitters or host computers, and an optional 6th port which is dedicated for USB communication to peripheral devices such as printers. Some specifics regarding the CIM are a local display is offered as standard, RS-232 serial communication is available from ports 1 to 3, RS-485 hardwire is available from ports 1 through 5, 2 10100 base TX Ethernet ports are available from ports 1 and 2. Bridge modules are available for 10100 base FX fiber optic communication. Wireless connectivity is also supported for spread spectrum, Wi-Fi, or cellular communication. A variety of manufacturer protocols are also supported, as with previous GSI interface units. New in 2007, the Enhanced Remote Terminal Unit was designed specifically for industrial applications such as pump and valve control, emergency shutdown, meter monitoring and proving, and general I/O capability such as bringing in analog inputs from pressure transmitters. This card is also a replacement for GSI-supported Ortec serial control modules. General capabilities of the ERTU are 8 analog inputs, 2 analog outputs, 8 digital inputs, and 4 to 8 digital outputs. It also has 2 host communication ports. The card includes onboard diagnostics and fault tolerances to avoid false outputs due to single-point component failure. Modbus is the standard communication protocol, but the ERTU can be reconfigured for other protocols if required. Interfaces are included for RS-485, 10100 base TX Ethernet, or 10100 base FX Fiber Ethernet. Its high-speed scanning capability makes it possible to use the module in pulse counting applications where the input frequency can be as high as 2,000 pulses per second. In addition to the standard products that we have discussed, GSI also has available a variety of additional interface units for special applications. We always make our best effort to provide a product that will best meet the customer's needs with the best product and at the lowest cost of ownership. An example of such a device is the GSI Mini Receiver. This is a small integrated tank gauging and inventory management system utilizing embedded Windows technology. It features a full graphical LCD display with touchscreen and up to 8 configurable serial communication ports that can be configured for either host or field communication. It has full inventory calculations to API standards and an OPC data access database. If it's a low-cost, web-based graphical solution you're looking for, then the RLG310 Webmaster from GSI may be the solution to your application. This utilizes a Red Lion HMI loaded with the Crimson 2.0 software and powerful 32-bit cold-fire processor. Custom graphics are easy to configure and display on the 10-inch 256-color TFT touchscreen display, which utilizes a dedicated menu and 7 soft keys for operation. Nothing else seemed to work? Then the GSI Telemetry Master might be just the thing. This is a modular RTU with web-enabled operator interfaces and a wide variety of configurable plug-in communication and I/O modules.